Welcome back to the Feel Good Pouring Station. If we haven't met, I'm Garrick, and I'm glad that you just came in to hang out with me for a few minutes here. So I'm laying down some beautiful colors, kind of Aztec earth tone vibes, if you will. And then we're going to kind of manipulate and play around with the paint. As we watch here, I hope you all are having an amazing day and making this year a productive one. Um, Quite frequently on my channel, I try to do updates with my achievements for this year. And so I'm encouraging you to set some goals, write them down, and do periodic check ins once a week, twice a month, whatever floats your boat. Keep yourself accountable so that we can knock out our art goals, our life goals, and make this year a really good one. So here are my colors. And once again, not so much a rhyme or reason for how I'm laying down my colors, but I do want there to be continuous color because we're going to add some black on top of these colors and swipe them out. And the black paint that I'm using is actually leftover paint from another experiment. I am trying to master another technique and I have a lot of black paint and I need to use it. So this is actually about a three-part pouring medium to 1 part 2 paint. So this black is a little thinner than my colors. As you see, I am putting it on my little paint scraper here, and I'm just layering it on top of my paints because what I'm attempting to do is to swipe over and bring some of the color up. And in my last couple videos, I've talked to you all about being free and just going for something, not worrying about the outcome. And so I am once again channeling just some swoops and swipes just to see what I get and create some cool composition here. And so once we get done layering it, we will then start the swiping process. Okay, y'all. It's been a little minute. I haven't done any dad jokes in a while, and I have one that is art related. So, first question: why does the spider want to go to art school so bad? I'll give you guys a few moments to ponder and wonder. And I just put some cell activator on my palette knife, and we're going to start our swiping. So, why does a spider want to go to art school so bad? The spider wants to study web design. I hope y'all got a kick out of that as much as I did. Okay, they get funnier. Dad joke number two. What did the earthquake say when it was done? Oh, my fault. Tectonic plates movement. Okay, not funny. Okay, I'll see myself out. I would tell y'all a chemistry joke, but I don't think it would give a good reaction. So we are still swiping here, and the more I swiped, the more I started to really love this piece and just embody its beauty. Now, let me tell y'all, I had too much black. I didn't get as much color as I thought I was going to get popping up underneath, but I do really like swiping the black over the pillow because, like you see here, it just creates, ooh, just a luscious color gradient change, and that black and white really play nicely with each other. So just kind of really just looking at something and just going for it. There's really no rhyme or reason. Just making some pretty composition here, and then we're going to spin everything out. So there was just entirely too much black. So I just did one huge swoop. I just let the paint start flowing backwards and I did a hard tilt here. So I'm feeling really good. I think that was the right move to open up the piece, but also create some more balance. And so now I'm just trying to find, those perfect finishing touch. And you can see I swiped some of that white pillow paint over and I got that really cool orange streak. And so just doing a little more playing around and taking my time to really just see what I want to change or what I want to do to call this piece done. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting really close. We are just a month out from the Fluid Art and Abstract Retreat. This is the third one that I host, and I want to invite you now. There's only one seat left, baby. So if you are interested, go on over. The link is in the description below. Sign up, and we are going to make memories. We're going to paint, we're going to learn, and really increase our fluid art, talent, capability, all that good stuff. And so with that, still doing some final touches here, but I'm going to get you in for a close up and notice how gorgeous the lacing is. All of this lacing is very strong. It's not stretched out. It hasn't broken up. And that is, years of testing recipes and figuring out what works best for me. You want to have that good pigment load so that you can stretch your paints like this. And our little orange swoop. And of course, that beautiful part that we lost, but look at that teal. I think that's one of my favorite parts. And so I found or figured out the perfect touch. And you have to look close, but here it is. There's my orange swipe and a turquoise swipe. So this is how I came up with the name Levels, because it is just different levels of depth here. And as always, family, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. I will see you in another video very soon. Peace.